Hi everyone and welcome to Miss B Maths Teacher channel. Today I'm going to talk about the cosine rule. This rule is the one that it's used when we have non-right angle triangles and when two sides are given and an included angle. And when we have all three sides given, we can find any of the angles or sides, depends what we're looking for. Two sides are given and an included angle. So pretty much we find the length of the third side. And if we had all three sides, then we can find angle if there's a need for it. So as you know, this rule is saying all three sides given, so we can find an angle. So I have here like sort of color coded. So two sides are given and an included angle. Two sides are given. So if this is B and C given, so in order to find A, a to the power of 2 is equal B to the power of 2 plus C to the power of 2, take away times BC times cos of this included angle. So pretty much here we're looking, okay, so this is what is given, and this angle is given. So, and then we can find side A. So same would be for B. So if you're looking for side B, so the other two angles would be included. Other two sides will be given, A and C will be given, and this angle here, so this green one. So, and that's how we find side B, and same for, side C. So now, if we do have all three sides given, so I'm gonna go undo. If we have all three sides given, we can find any of the angles. And so if you do want to remember the formulas, cos of B, cos of C, that's fine, or cos of A. And but pretty much how we can find the formula for finding any of the angles is by using rearranging. So we're just gonna go with this one here. There's no need to show this, but just that you can see how we got to this point. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna move as this arrow is showing, I'm gonna move negative 2bc cos A to the other side. So, and because it's positive on one side, if we move to other side, it's going to be it's negative on this side, so it's going to be positive when we move it to the other side, equal to B to the power of 2 plus C to the power of 2. And you can maybe realize that I still have that A somewhere here. So this A from this side, I'll move A to the power of 2 to other side. And because it's positive here, so when it's moved to other sides becomes negative. So it's take away A to the power of 2. Now, in order to find cos of A, so pretty much you just divide both sides by 2bc. So that's cancel out, and this is what we're left with. So cos of A is equal to B to the power of 2 plus C to the power of 2, take away A to the power of 2, 2bc. Now, this is cos of A, of an angle, and usually we need to find this angle here. So we're going to look for the inverse, but I'm going to show you that by using few examples. Okay, let's start with an example. Okay, so what do we have here? Non-right angle triangle. So two sides are given. So we have two sides and an included angle. So, and we need to find x. So to find x is x to the power of 2 equal to, if you remember, the other two sides to the power of 2 is like a plus So I'm just not going to use A, I'm just going to use numbers. It's 3 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 2, take away 2 times 3 times 5, and then times cos of that included angle, which is 50. So x to the power of 2. Now you can simplify. Just be careful here. So 2 times 3 is 6, times 5 is 30, times cos of 50. So I have seen students first, adding like this. Okay, x to the power of 2, 9 plus 25 is 34. Take away 30 times cos 50. So I have seen students calculating this first, 34 taking away 30. I don't know why, because using BODMAS, we all know multiplication comes first, and then division, and then subtraction or addition. So just be careful there. So that is gonna give us now x to the power of 2 equal to, I'm just gonna grab my calculator to calculate this. So and it should give us something. 34 take away 30 times cos of 50, I think it was 50. So approximately we are having, I'm gonna go approximately 14.72, but we have x to the power of 2, so we need x by itself, so which means square root both sides. Now I'm not gonna put here plus minus there, so what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna say x is bigger than 0, so it's length, so it's distance, so that's gone. Let's find the square root of exit square root of 14.72. So, and that's gonna give us again x approximation approximately 3.84 I think centimeters. So I haven't labeled here, I can add centimeters. So that would be the first example when you do have two sides given and an angle, and we wanted to find the other side. Now let's go with example 2. Now this question here actually is asking us to find the area. The area is equal question mark, the area of this non-right angle triangle. So and you can see in lesson 1 in from this chapter or the playlist, non-right angle triangle trigonometry. So we have worked with some with areas, how to find the area. So and looking at these formulas, we can see that we do need angles. So angle A or C or B. So so we don't have any angle given. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use cosine rule to find an angle. So, and as you can see here, I have cos of A, and here's the formula. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use. So this is the formula to find an angle. And let me just go like to label. So cos of A, so I'm looking to find this angle. I'm gonna label this angle A, and I'm gonna use different color. So this is angle A. Opposite side is A, label A. If this is angle B, then this is B, and if this is angle C, this here is gonna be side C. So let's first find an angle, because we need that for the rule, for the area formula. So cosine of A is equal to b to the power of 2, which is in our case is 5. So that's b. So 5 to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2 is 7. Take away a, which is 10, and then over 2 times b is 5, and then times c, which is 7. From here, cos of a is equal to, so we can simplify this. 25 plus 49, 25 plus 49, take away 100. So it's negative 26 over 2 times 5 over 70. It's 10. Yep, over 70. So and if you simplify that, but you don't have to, negative 26 divided by 70. Let's see if you can have like simplified version. My calculator doesn't give me that, so but you can divide by 2, you know, the highest common factor and so on. I'll just leave it as it is. So, and I'm gonna go, okay, so it's negative 26 over 70. Now I mentioned previously, I'm gonna show you how to find angle from here. So angle A is equal cosine inverse of cos and then of negative 26 over 70. So now what I usually do here, this part here, I don't simplify with like decimal places, rounding up or anything. So pretty much I use, you know, the exact value, because that's gonna give me, you know, the best answer for my angle. So now let's go cosine inverse and see what I'm gonna get. Negative 26 over 70, and that is giving me something that is 111.8. So we're just gonna it says here angle here, okay, angle A is equal 111.80, you know, 4, but I'm just gonna round up to no decimal places, so 112 degrees. So this is our angle. Now angle is given, not given but calculated. Now we're gonna have a look, you know, for the area. So because we have angle A given, so is this one here. So I'm gonna use this formula. So sin of A, where sin of A is you know, used. So change the color. Okay, A, yep, okay, A is equal to half B. B is 5 times C. C is 7 times sin of 112. So, and if we plug all these in the calculator, we should get something. Let's do it quickly. So I'm just gonna check. And it would be good if you check your answers or check my answers and see if you're gonna get the same. So what do I have here is 19.47, and I'm gonna check that. Just give me a second. Okay, what happened here, I use 6 instead of 5. So I just recalculated and it's giving me, I'm gonna put approximately 16.2 centimeters squared. So area has been calculated. So this pretty much just tells you if you do have you know, sides given and area is needed to be calculated. So we just can use cosine rule to find one of the angles and then find the area. So let's move to another one. And I just realized it's gonna be too long if I do more examples for this video, so I'm gonna record another one for the cosine rule using 2 more examples. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.